At Army Solar, operational excellence meets innovation in every panel we manufacture. What sets us apart is precision at scale. We don't just build panels. We build trust. It begins with high-quality raw materials sourced from top-tier suppliers and checked against stringent global standards. Our CCD inspection instantly filters out NG cells, allowing only the best cells to move forward to our high-precision IR soldering robots. Stage 2. Integration. Cell strings are precisely layered, and advanced induction soldering creates clean, ultra-fast connections for maximum conductivity. Stage 3. Lamination. In a 3-step vacuum process, air is removed and pressure is applied to create a perfect weatherproof seal. After auto edge trimming, we move to stage 4, framing. Our AI-based gluing system ensures a uniform and rugged structure for every module. Stage 5, junction box installation. Fixed with high-grade sealant and soldered through mutual induction, ensuring a reliable and stable power flow. Stage 6, validation. Every module undergoes testing under the sun simulator, including flash tests, high-pot insulation checks, and a final EL scan to guarantee rated power output.
Stage 7, final prep. Modules are labeled, corner protected, and sorted by high-accuracy robots. Every panel is fully traceable and ready for dispatch. Army Solar, driven by quality, defined by precision.